का रिवीजन किया है, तो प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज का एक पोयम बोलते हैं जब तक फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं. ओके. I have a crown. All of you say and do the action. I have a crown, green and brown, fresh green leaves
त्यांनीच
all over found. Standing straight on the ground. Say all of you. Is my trunk. Oh, what a weight. My roots are strong and spreading wide, gathering food from every side. So don't cut me and make me cry, for I am your friend and you know why. Isn't it, children? You know now why should we not cut the trees? Because trees gives us oxygen, then fruits, vegetables, tea, coffee, spices, grains, pulses, wood, paper, rubber, many things, and it is habitat for plants, animals and insects and some birds. Okay, so we should not cut plants or trees, but we should grow more and more plants. Okay, and now we will revise rain and water cycle. Okay, all of you do the action and say, during summer, when the sun is very hot, sun rays fall on the water.
Ba, water hang do to thela tar.
Water get heated. Vapors goes up. Form big clouds. When these clouds are heavy, they bash with each other. We hear thunder and see lightning. Then it starts raining. This process is called water cycle. Very good, class. Very good. All of you are repeating with the action. Very good. Okay. Now, what is germination, children? Germination. All of you repeat. When we sow a seed
1 minute, ma'am.
in the soil, it sprouts. In the presence of air,
Oh, 1 minute नंतर मी इथं जाऊन येते. मला
in
बाहेर
the
जायचं.
presence of air, water, and sunlight, roots grows under the ground, shoot comes above the ground. This process of a seed growing into a baby plant or sapling is called germination. Very good, very good. Okay, now today we are going to start with a new topic. For that, for 5 minutes, if you want, can use the headphones for the videos. Okay, from my side, the volume is at the high. You also make sure that your side's volume is also high. Come on, I'm playing one video for next topic.
We can travel on road by a car, bus, van, jeep, cycle, motorcycle, taxi, scooter. We can see many vehicles on the road, such as truck, lorry, ambulance, fire engine, police car. Train is a means of transport on land. It runs on a track. It is the most popular means of transport and is very well connected. A train is in charge of an engine driver. We can travel on water by a ship or boat. Boats are used to travel small distances. Small boats are used by the fishermen to catch fish. Before air travel was discovered, people used to travel by ships. But it takes a long time to travel by a ship. A captain is in charge of a ship. We can travel in air by an aeroplane or helicopter. A pilot flies a plane and a co-pilot assists him in flying. Air travel is the fastest mode of transport and is preferred by everyone. Helicopters are used to cover small distances. Aeroplanes are used to travel from one place to another within a short span of time. Rockets are used to go to space. Astronauts travel by rockets to land on the moon. So, children, by using the different modes of travel.
Children, 1 minute. Let me take one. Two parents are waiting. Let me take them in.
Transport. We can go from one place to another. It's fun, right? To go to to Granny's place by train or just flying to your cousin's house. That's something that we really look forward to during the summer holidays.
Okay, so what is today's topic, children? Vehicles. Okay, today's topic is vehicles. So what do you mean by vehicles? What is vehicle? Vehicle is a machine which carries people and goods from one place to another. Okay, when you want to go somewhere, you go on a vehicle. Okay, if it is a short distance, you go by walking. Now there are four modes of transport. Four modes of transport. Roadways, the vehicles which runs on road. Railways, you all know railways, they run on track. Then waterways, the vehicles which moves in water. And airways. Okay, airways, the vehicles which goes by air. Okay, children, so we are going to learn about these vehicles. I am going to share you picture and I am going to explain you. All of you, can you hear me? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no, can you hear me? Are you able to व्हिडिओचा आवाज येत होता ना नीट? Video's voice was clear? Yes. Okay. What? No. You were not able to hear video's voice? व्हिडिओचा आवाज येत नव्हता? येत होता ना? Okay. So now I'm going to share pictures. Okay. Okay, see. Now these are roadways. Okay. Now you all know that on road you can see two-wheelers like bicycle, motorbike, three-wheelers like auto rickshaw, four-wheelers like car, jeep. You can see bullock cart also, they have four wheels, but bullock cart does not need any fuel. Okay, they do not need diesel, petrol, CNG. CNG means gas. Okay, and you can see trucks, they have many wheels. Bus, they have 6 wheels. And lorries are big container which carry many vehicles or big machines from one place to another. And children, whenever you see ambulance, fire engine or police van on the road, you should immediately give them place, because these vehicles are always in emergency. त्यांना ॲम्ब्युलन्समध्ये पेशंट्स असतात, त्यांना डॉक्टरकडे जायची घाई असते. सो वी शुड गिव देम प्लेस. ओके. नाव फायर इंजिन इज ऑल्सो ऑलवेज इन अन इमर्जन्सी. कुठे आग लागलेली असेल तिथे त्यांना पोहोचायचं असतं. देन वी शुड गिव देम प्लेस. अँड इवन योर पुलिस व्हॅन. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाव टेल मी, when you are on road, what safety, 1 minute children, what safety rule should you follow? What safety rules should you follow? You can see the chart. You all know about the signal. Red light means stop. Amber light means wait and green light means go. Okay, so whenever you want to cross the road, always cross it from the zebra crossing. When you wanted to go by a bus, you should always wait on the bus stand for the bus in a queue, in a line, even when you are waiting for your school bus. Okay, you should always stand in a line. Then you should not throw any waste or bananas peel on the ground, on the road. Others may get hurt. You should never play on the road. Whenever you are driving cycle, okay, when you are cycling, that time you should not go in the middle of the road. You should always drive from the left hand side, okay. And if you are walking, you should always use the footpath. Follow the traffic rules and give the indicators when you want to turn. When you want to cross, overtake, always overtake from the right hand side, okay. And when you are traveling in a car, wear the seat belt. Okay children, these are the safety rules which we should follow. Understood all of you children?
Yes.
Okay children, very good. Now the second means of transport is railways. Okay, railways. Railways is what? Set of bogies pulled by an engine with metal wheels, runs on a special track. This is railways, okay. They are set of bogies which is pulled by an engine. Their wheels are made up of metal and they need special track. See, this one first picture is of steam engine. It runs on steam. Okay, this is diesel engine. It runs on diesel. You all know diesel fuels. Okay, petrol. You must have gone to petrol pump with your father, isn't it? You must have seen there CNG, petrol, diesel. So all these are fuel used by vehicles. Now this is electric train. There are some trains which runs on electricity. You can see here the antenna, okay, on the top, which touches the electric wires and runs on electricity. Then you have seen metro trains, okay children. Metro trains you can see in Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi. Okay, this train is special. It runs on single track. This is called as monorail. Mono means single, so it runs on single track. This is monorail. And see, this is local train. If you visit Mumbai, you can see the local trains. Okay children, the train which carry passengers, they are called as passenger trains. And some trains carry only goods, saman, big saman, they are called as goods train. Okay, so children, what is a train? Railway. What is railway? Set of bogies pulled by an engine with metal wheels, runs on special track. They are called as railways. And if you want to catch a train, you need to go to railway station, okay. And an engine driver is the in charge of train, okay. Like how the bus driver is there to control the bus, likewise engine driver controls the train, okay. Now the next mode of transport is, wait a minute, waterways. Next mode of transport, waterways. Okay, these are the vehicles which runs on the water. Okay, boat, this is a boat, and these are the oars. When you move the oars in the water, the boat moves. Okay, the simplest boat is called as raft. Raft means फक्त वूडची अशी एक ट्रे सारखी बनलेली असते, ते प्लॅटफॉर्म सारखी, आणि त्याला फक्त एक काठीनी मूव करतात, दॅट इज राफ्ट. ओके, खूप वर्षापूर्वी ती बोट असायची. नाव दिस इज yacht. Okay children, this is yacht. It sails with the help of sail, cloth. This is shikara. Shikara, you know, this is for fun. It is you can sit in shikara in Kashmir, Kerala. Okay, then this is motor boat. It runs with the help of motor. This is also jet scooter. It is these types of boats, they are for fun. Okay, this is a steamer which runs with the help of steam. How a steam engine you have seen in railway, like that this is a steamer. This boat moves with the help of steam. This is hovercraft. The black part you can see, it is a cushion like thing which glides on the water. It is very light. जसं तुम्ही बलूनमध्ये हवा भरतात तसं ह्याच्यामध्ये हवा भरतात and it glides, floats on the water. Okay, hovercraft. Then this is cruise. You have seen that cruise has many rooms, hotels, swimming pools. It is used for fun. From one place to another we can go, and it is very costly. Then this is a special boat, special waterway which goes underground, children. It is used by our navy. Okay, you all know that there are three forces: armed forces, air force, navy and army. तर जे navy, रुचिका don't write. सो जे नेव्हीचे आपले आर्म फोर्सेस आहे ते याचं यूज करता फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सबमरीन, इट गोज अंडर द वॉटर. ओके, अँड इट कीप an eye on the enemies. This is passenger ship. This is cargo ship. Cargo ship carries only the goods, luggages. This is a warship. It is used for war. Okay, understood? These are the different types of waterways. Now these are airways. Very good, airways. The vehicles which travel in the air is called airway. You can see aeroplane, helicopter. In helicopter only few people can sit. This is glider. It is used for fun. This is hot air balloon. It is also used for fun. Okay, not to travel from far distances. This is biplane. It is also like a glider only, but it has a machine. This glider moves with the help of wind, but this biplane moves with the help of machine, and two persons can sit. When you want to go in space, you go in space shuttle. Okay, these are called as cable cars. Okay, you must have seen the cable cars in hilly areas. From one hill to another hill, if you want to travel, you use this cable cars. These are war planes. Okay, these planes are used for war. And children, who is in charge of a aeroplane? Who flies aeroplane? It's a pilot. And the place where pilots sit is called as cockpit. It's called as cockpit. And who is the in charge of a ship? Captain. Captain is the in charge of the ship. So we have covered all the 4 modes of transport: roadways, railways, waterways and airways. Now I am going to share with you all one page which we are going to write. All of you take out your notebook. Only 4 questions are there for writing. Write the heading vehicles. Write today's date. VEHICLES, vehicles. Question number 1. Name one four-wheeler. Name one four-wheeler. You can write jeep, van. I have written car. I'm waiting. Yes. Question number 2. Which vehicle has three wheels? Which vehicle has 3 wheels? Hurry up, children, hurry up. So, rickshaw has 3 wheels. R-I-C-K, rickshaw. S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Now next is, which is the simplest board? Children, don't write yacht, yacht is not the simplest one is raft. Okay, so you will write RAFT. Raft is the simplest boat. Raft. Raft is the simplest boat. It is made by joining the log. It is only the platform, like no machines, no side walls. The next question is, which waterways goes under water? Which waterways goes underwater? Which waterways goes underwater? The answer is submarine. 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 Yes, children, have you written, everyone? Please let me know. Okay, I'm waiting. See, in first standard, these sort of questions will be there, and this is only the one word answer. But in first standard, when you will write the answer, it will be in a sentence. Okay, so practice, all of you. So while you are writing, I will just take revision. What is vehicle? Vehicle is a machine which carries people and goods from one place to another. There are 4 modes of transport. Roadways, the vehicles which runs on road. Railways, the vehicles which runs on track. Waterways, vehicles which move on water. And airways, the vehicle which goes in air. So on road, children, you can see 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, 4-wheelers, 6-wheelers, many wheelers. Then on road, if you see ambulance, fire engine, police van, you should give them place because they are in emergency. Always follow traffic rules, safety rules. There are 3 lights in the signal. Red light means stop, amber means wait, and green means go. Then what are railways? Railways, set of bogies pulled by an engine with metal wheels, runs on a special track. They are railways. You can see passenger train, goods train, electric train, steam engine, monorail, metro train. Engine driver is the in charge of the train, and when you want to go by train, travel by train, you need to go to railway station. The next mode of transport is waterways. Vehicles which move on water are called as waterways. Okay, simplest boat is raft. Then we have seen that the boat which goes under the water is submarine. Then cruise. It has hotels inside, many rooms. It is used for fun. Then I have shown you picture of hovercraft. It's a boat which has a pillow cushion like thing in which air is filled and it glides. Okay, glides on the water. Then you have motorboat, jet boats for fun, oil tankers, ship war. The ships which are used for war. Even submarine is used by our armed forces. Then next is the airways. Okay, fastest mode of transport is airways. Pilot is the in charge of a plane, aeroplane. Pilot flies the aeroplane. He sits in the place which is specially meant for him to control the plane. It is called as cockpit. And an aeroplane runs on the runway. When you want to travel by aeroplane, you need to go to airport. And a helicopter lands on helipad. Okay, helicopter lands on helipad. Helicopter directly can come down and take off like that only, but aeroplane, you must have seen that it runs and then it take off. It runs on the land and then it take off, so that is called as runway. And there are special parking for the aeroplanes. They are called as hangar. Like how your car is parked in your parking, like that the plane